Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, piping hot, just finished, really beautiful beetroot tomato curry with fennel. We're using quite a lot of fennel in this, fennel powder and fennel seeds. Fantastic flavour. Vegetarian, vegan, healthy, fantastic. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we need. Okay, so let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. So in the centre, the star of the show, the beetroot or the beets. I got those raw, I chopped them up, peeled them, chopped them up, and I boiled them for like 5 or 6 minutes. Onions, tomatoes, both cut really small as you can see. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Garlic, ginger paste, like 2 heaped teaspoons there. Some fennel seeds there, which we're going to start off. Fennel's going to be quite big in this. It works really well, I find, with beetroot. Fresh chili. Let's take a look at our powders. There's 5 powders there. So equal parts of coriander and cumin, chili and turmeric, like a teaspoon each, or a heaped teaspoon. And just there's some fennel powder. There's like half a teaspoon of that. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add some salt, touch of water maybe. That's about it. Absolutely delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, so I've got a little pan here. Got some sunflower oil in there that I'm heating up. In goes our fennel seeds. Just for a few seconds, let them do their thing. They'll infuse that oil, give it a lovely fennel flavour. And don't confuse these with cumin seeds because they look very, very similar, but obviously a very, very different flavour indeed. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to add in the onions that we've cut really small. Our garlic ginger paste. Now, if you don't have garlic ginger paste, one, you should be making it and keep it in your fridge. We use it all the time, it's fantastic. Or you can buy it in the store. Or if you can't be bothered to do either of those, you can just get some garlic and ginger and chop it as small as you can. Okay, we're on a fairly lively heat, as you can hear. We're going to go here for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. Okay, it's looking fantastic. Now, we're using cooked beetroot, not raw. I've done that just to kind of speed the process up, but you could be putting raw beetroot in. If you were, you'd be putting it in now and cooking it for maybe 5 or 6 minutes. We are not. We're going to go now with our tomatoes, chopped nice and small. There's like sort of 4 medium-sized tomatoes there. Try and use a nice juicy one. Fresh chili to taste. We use quite a lot, up to you. Spices, there we go. So we've got there turmeric and chili powder, equal parts 1 teaspoon. The fennel powder, half a teaspoon. In that goes. Then we're going there 1 teaspoon each of cumin and coriander. You could have used, of course, just be using a curry powder if you want, but I prefer these individual spices. Cold water, about 1 cup. In that goes. Remaining on this high heat. Let's go for like 5 or 6 minutes now. What we want is for those tomatoes to break down as much as they can. They'll give off a little bit more moisture. If yours don't, that means you've not used very ripe ones. And you can just add a touch more water. See you in about 5 or 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, there you go. Look, they've really broken down. We've got a lovely masala there now. I mean, really lovely. We're now going to add our cooked beetroot in. Now, this has got a nice little crunch to it still. I'm also going to add some water in there now. I'm just going to change spoon here. We're going to lower the heat. We're going to let that go for about 4 to 5 minutes. We're very, very nearly done. Wonderful. Okay. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. In that goes. Off goes the heat. 1 final little mix and we're done. That is absolutely wonderful. Super healthy, really tasty. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we will see you soon. Lots of love.